Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the tech gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Immerse into the beat. LORELEI E5 wired headphones with microphone adopt high-definition 40mm driver, and that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Maximum comfort design. Ultra-soft ear cushions and padded headband and adjustable slider helps you achieve the. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Durable and folding design. LORELEI E5 wired headphones are built meticulously with strong and sturdy plastic. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it full content visible. Double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict. The tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.